it's Mrs. Compton. Do you remember this? It's called a Wreck and Wreck. What do you notice about the Wreck and Wreck? Let's just do a quick brain reminder. What do you notice? Let's see. Maybe you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red beads on the top. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white beads on the top. And maybe you remember 5, because we have a hand of 5, plus another hand of 5. So 5 and 5 make 10. So there would be 10 beads at the top. Maybe you realized that they're an exact match. So this is 5. So that means the bottom row has 5 reds. And the white has 5 on the top. So the white must have 5 beads on the bottom too. Does anyone know how many beads there are all together? Let's see. We have a 5 and a 5 and a 5 and a 5. It's like if you count all your fingers and all your toes. How many fingers and toes do you have all together? It's like a hand, a toe, or a foot, Yeah, we have 20 here, right? So since we have 20 here, we can use this as a tool. So I'm going to do some sliding of the beads. And I want you to tell me how many beads are over here and how you see it. Are you ready? All right, here we go. How many beads are over there? Show me on your fingers. 4. Did you say 4? We've got a 2 and a 2. And 2 plus 2 makes 4. Or maybe you counted it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, start over. Okay, how many beads are over here? Ooh. Did you see we had 5 red ones and 1 white one? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We had 6 over there all together. Maybe some of you even knew that this was a 5 and you counted on 1 and said 6. Okay, start over. All right, let's see what we can do. Ready? What's over here? Ooh, how many beads are over here? Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top and also 4 on the bottom. Maybe some of you saw that this would have been 10. Do you guys remember that there were 10 red beads altogether? And we had 2 not in our section over here. So maybe you thought about, 2 less than 10. 10, 9, 8. So this must be 8. Let's count them out and make sure. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 8 red beads. All right, one more. Okay, start over. All right, you ready for this? How many beads are there? Show me on your fingers. Let me see. We're looking at this side right here. How many beads are there? Show me on your fingers. What did you show me? Did you show me a hand with 4 fingers and then a hand with 5 fingers? What does 4 and 5 make? Let's see. I'm thinking about 4 and 5. And I know, if I add my thumb, that would make a 10. And it's just 1 less than that. So it must be a 9. So we have 9 over here. Let's count them out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we could say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We could count on, right? So fun. Okay, you guys, we are going to take a peek at our story problem today. And our story problem is all about penguins. All right, now I have my penguin outfit on because penguins have a white or light belly and they have a black or a dark back. Did you guys read that in a book? Penguins are so interesting, right? They use that to help them survive. All right, so our story is all about penguins. Okay, I'm going to read it to you. You can close your eyes as I read it if you'd like, or you can read the words along with me. Ready? There are penguins on the iceberg. Some penguins left and went swimming in the ocean. Okay, so imagine that. There were some penguins on the iceberg, and then some of them left and went swimming in the ocean. Now there are penguins on the iceberg. How many penguins went swimming in the ocean? My goodness, this is a big story. We have to really stop and imagine it. Let's do that with some numbers. Okay, so let's see our number sets. We have a choice of 5 and 3, 7 and 3, and 11 and 3. Now, let's use the first number set, 5 and 3, and let's really imagine it with the numbers in our heads. All right, so we've got a 5 here and a 3 right here. Okay, so we're going to check it out. Now, I really want you to make that picture in your head. What is the story telling us? Okay, here we go. Ready? There are 5 penguins on the iceberg. Okay, ready? See that iceberg in your head? Count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Some penguins left and went swimming. Okay, now imagine some penguins are jumping off that iceberg, or maybe they're even going off their bellies because they love to toboggan on their bellies, right? Some penguins left and went swimming in the ocean. Now there are 3 penguins on the iceberg. Okay, so count them up. There's only 3 penguins left on the iceberg. And our big question is, how many penguins went swimming in the ocean? So we have to figure out how many of those penguins went toboggan or left and went into the ocean. Maybe they're searching for some food, some krill, some fish to eat. Who knows what they're doing? Or maybe they're just getting some exercise. All right, so we have to figure out how many penguins left that iceberg and went swimming. All right, I need you to grab your tools. We should have tools. They don't have to be fancy tools like this. It could be anything, right? It could be Legos. It could be blocks. It could be rocks, anything. Make sure you have some math tools. Make sure you have your pencil and your paper or your whiteboard and your marker and get to solving. All right, kids, I'll see you next time. Bye.